guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So आज का वीडियो बहुत ही स्पेशल होने वाला है. ये एक get ready with me है. So today I'm getting ready for my best friend's wedding. So this is one of her functions. So for that I have chosen this dress. So it is a black dress with red and golden. So I thought of shooting the get ready with me. So here you'll get to see my makeup, my hair, my jewelry and all. So first let's start with our makeup. So I have prepped my skin. I have done skincare, as you can see the glow. So I have done face wash, toner and a moisturizer serum as well. So now let's start with actual makeup. So first we'll start with the primer. So as you know, my favorite primer. So don't mind the noise around because I stay very close to road. सो प्राइमर कभी भी यहाँ पर अप्लाई करते हैं जहाँ पे आपके पोर्स होते हैं यूजुअली, और बचा हुआ आपने पूरे फेस पे अप्लाई कर सकते हैं, आप आईज पे भी, क्योंकि ये आई शैडो का अच्छा बेस दे देगा. सो एज यू कैन सी मेरी स्किन ज़रा बेटर हो गई है इन दिनों. सो देयर आर नो स्पॉट्स एंड ऑल. So if you have dark spots, dark circles and all, you can use color correction. I'm just going to do a little bit of color correction on my under eyes because I think they look a little bit darker. So you have to take your beauty blender and just blend it. Make sure you blend it well so that it doesn't leave a red stain. So guys, if you don't know, I upload twice a week, that is on Wednesday and Sunday. So if you are interested in affordable makeup and reviews, so you can check my channel, you can check all the videos. And yeah, let's move on to foundations. So usually I use my Maybelline Fit Me, but this is a daytime look and it's winters, so it's drying these days. So I'm going with another foundation. This is the Blue Heaven Florina foundation. It's also very good foundation. So I'm just putting a few drops of Swiss Beauty Illuminator, liquid illuminator, and a few like drops of my sunscreen. So this will make the foundation a little like glossy and not give a matte finish. So you have to take your beauty blender and mix this all well first and then apply on your face. So as you can see the glow that the liquid illuminator gives me. So I have to hide the redness with this. You can use a concealer as well before foundation. So as you can see the difference. And use a damp beauty sponge always. And take your time to blend. Blending is the main thing in makeup. So I'll just complete the foundation and I'll be back. So I've done this side as well, and as you can see the glow. So this is what is required in a daytime look. Okay. So you always blend it on your neck as well. Don't forget your neck. Otherwise it will look very uneven. So after that is done, I know now it's not looking uneven, but it's because of the shadow. Otherwise it's even in camera, in the mirror. So yeah, now let's move on to our eye makeup first, because if there is fallout then we can clean it. So I need a concealer. Where's my concealer? So my favorite Swiss Beauty concealer. Guys, I love it जब आप लोग मेरे कहने पे कोई प्रोडक्ट ट्राई करते हैं एंड देन मुझे मैसेज करके बताते हैं कि आई ट्राइड दिस प्रोडक्ट फ्रॉम योर रिकमेंडेशन, इट मीन्स अ लॉट टू मी, लाइक सीरियसली, कि मेरे बोलने पे किसी ने कुछ ट्राई किया एंड दे लव्ड इट. And I would love to hear in the comments, like, any doubt if you have regarding anything, any product, any step, then please let me know. I love doing this kind of chit chat videos with you. Like, I love talking on camera, as you can clearly see. So once your concealer is blended well, then we'll move on to our eyes. So don't set the concealer, otherwise the shadows won't blend. So first color, like, I want to go for a golden eye. So first a little bit of red shade I'll place here on my crease. It's very pigmented, as you can clearly see. So just take very little. I'm using the Swiss Beauty eyeshadow palette. Dust off the excess and then do. So I'm looking in my mirror over there. Just blend it really well so that it doesn't look harsh. So as you can see here, I have by mistakenly applied a little bit more and here is less, so that's why I'm just evening it out. So after the base is done, now we'll move on to the main eyelid. For that I'm going with a very pretty golden shade. So this is the one. My dress also has this kind of a shade. So this I'm placing on the eyes, main eyelid, and so I hope you can see it well. I don't have a high-end camera, so I cannot show you the exact, like, in depth, but still I'm trying my best. So with your fingers the pigmentation is best, like no one can compare to the pigmentation, like the brush cannot pick up that much product. And again, take your same brush and blend it with the red shade. It looks pink on camera, but it's not, it's a proper red shade. I will show you the shade, like, wait. So that's the red I took, and then I took golden. So here is the golden that I took. So once you are happy with the eye look, like, just leave it for 2 minutes and then see whether you want to do any changes or something. But in the mirror it looks perfect, so I'm leaving it here. I'm doing my brows. So for brows, you can use any shade from your palette, only if you like particular shade. Like, there are a lot of options available. You can go with a light brown or a dark brown based on your eyebrow color. I just don't overfill my brows, I've said this before also. So after eyebrows are done, I think they look good, like we don't have to do much. Then we'll move on to our eyeliner. So you can go with a black eyeliner or whatever color you like. So I use a kajal pencil as an eyeliner always, like, I love it. It gives me a smoked look. So just randomly apply the pen kajal. Don't, like, go for precision. Okay, and once you have applied it, then take a smudger brush like this one and then just smudge it. So this will give a smudged look. So this is how it looks like, not a perfect wing but smudged look, just the way I like it. And then we'll go with mascara. I'm going a little fast, otherwise this video will be very long and I don't want to bore you guys. So the mascara is super affordable and does the job really well. I have seen big YouTubers also comment about this mascara and they also use it and like it. So this is by Blue Heaven Walk Free Mascara. I'll link the products in the description so you can check. So that's how our eyes look. And now for lower lash line, you can take a deep brown or maroon shade and then just blend it, and that will complete your look entirely. If you don't want to go for kajal, then this is the best option, as you can see. Okay, then we'll move on to our face. So my favorite face palette is here, the Sugar Face palette, and I just love all the shades right here. So I'll go with a blush. It's a peachish blush. It gives a very subtle blush look, not too much. Then we'll go with the highlighter. So that's our highlighter. It's a champagne highlighter. So these days I love champagne highlighters. So this adds the extra glow that you need on your face. You can skip this if you have used an illuminator already. So you can contour your face if you want to, but I don't want to, so that's why I'm not. Then also highlight your brow bones so that they look like sharp. Yeah. Then we are left with lipstick. So as you know, there is a lot of drama on our eyes and all, so we'll go for a nude lip. So we'll just use a brown lipstick. First we'll use a brown, and on top of that we'll go with the pink shade to create a custom lipstick. Don't worry, it won't be this loud, like it will mute down in a few seconds. Always carry your lipstick with you for touch-ups. So that's our look. Like, I just love it. What do you want to say about it? I have these earrings. These are red and golden. so I think they go with the theme perfectly of the dress. And I'm not doing anything special to my hair. I'll just retie them nicely and I'll be back. So that's my hair, and for bangles I'm wearing these golden ones in one hand. I have to put nail paint on, and one hand I'm wearing this red ring to go with it. So that's our final look, and that's our dress. So all ready for my bestie's wedding. More pictures will be coming up on my Instagram, so please do check it out. And that's all for my video. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.